In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a fax in Outlook. We'll keep it simple and practical, using Outlook on the web to compose an email that your organization or fax service can convert into a fax on the other end. If your company uses an email to fax gateway, the process works just like sending any regular email, and Outlook handles the rest. First, open Outlook Mail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account you'll use for faxing. Once your inbox loads, look toward the upper left corner of the screen for the New Mail button. This is your starting point for composing the message that will be delivered as a fax. Click New Mail to open a blank message. You'll see the standard fields: to, subject, and us, and the main message area, along with options to attach files. In the to field, enter the recipient's address. If you use an email to fax service, this could be a special address format provided by your provider or IT team that routes your email to the recipient's fax machine. Carefully double-check the address for typos, since an incorrect address will cause the fax to fail or go to the wrong destination. Next, add a clear, professional subject. Think of the subject line as the fax header your recipient will use to identify the contents at a glance. Include concise details like a reference number, invoice ID, or a brief description of what you're sending so it's easy to file and track. Now, attach the document you want to fax. Click the attachment icon, choose your file, and wait for it to upload. For best results, use a widely accepted format like PDF or Docs. Keep the file size reasonable to avoid delivery issues, and use clear file names so your recipient can recognize the content. If you have multiple pages, consider combining them into a single PDF to preserve order. Before you proceed, quickly confirm that the correct file is attached and that it opens properly in your browser preview. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will dispatch your message right away. If your organization's fax system is set up, it will convert the email and its attachment into a fax and deliver it to the recipient. In many setups, you'll receive a confirmation or a status email letting you know whether the fax was successful. If you don't see a confirmation after a reasonable time, review the recipient address, verify the attachment size and format, and make sure you're sending from an account authorized for faxing. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and reliable right from Outlook.